Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be showing you guys the BoxyCharm. I know I'm super late. This is for September. I know I'm so late again. But this is the all access box. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first is the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, and this is originally $29. You know, I had this and I didn't even get to touch anything yet or really look at it, but here's what that looks like here. Very pretty. I never tried Violet Voss, so I'm definitely interested in it then I can see, because I've always wanted a few palettes, but then I kind of was like, there's so many you have. But yeah, this one's pretty. I like that terracotta shade a lot, so we'll have to see how that is. Let's see. Very excited about this. This is a Moda 5-piece brush set. This originally retails for $27.95, which is crazy expensive. But I really love these brushes, and I always need more eyeshadow brushes. This is the Royal and Lane Nickel. Blech, if I could speak. Wow, these are really pretty. I think we got a few of these before, but never a 5-piece one. I'm really pumped. These are some nice brushes. This makes me pumped as hell. So we got a crease, a detail, a smudge, a line, and a shade. So great brushes. So next is a Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. This is originally $20. Oh, wrong one. So here's what that looks like here. Oh, that's really cool. So hopefully this works out well. $20. I'm hoping it works good. And next we have a, where is it? Billion Dollar Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This originally retails for $18. What shade did I get? They gave it to me in dark. Oh, but throwing it. So that's what that looks like here. I'm not going to open this yet because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to use this, because I like to keep my red brow, so I might give this away to a friend. But that's pretty cool. And last but not least is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. And, ooh, it's originally $52. Holy crap. Here's what that looks like here. I'm definitely going to give this away to somebody, so I don't want to open it. But this is supposed to be great, but I know somebody who's been really wanting this specific, mask. So I am going to give that to her because she's going to just love it. But, guys, this box was a good box. I'm really pumped, honestly, just alone for the brushes. It makes me so happy. Because I love a great brush. And I'm excited to try the Violet Voss palette, you know. Also, I love a good eyeliner, so hopefully this works good. I'm expecting dark. If it's blickety black, I'm hoping it's like black. But yeah, this was September's Boxy. I'm hoping it's a great one for October. Of course, I'll put a little sneak peek video up. But yeah, highly recommend. I love BoxyCharm. It's my favorite out of all the subscriptions. I just tend to get stuff I really either have been wanting and have my eye on, or just really end up loving out of BoxyCharm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.